about how we can use Cloud Code for us to generate some designs for our user stories. So let's imagine that we have some user story where we have a request from the business to have simple SLA tracking on advanced CPQ approvals. Because in the CPQ there are no, let's say, default out-of-the-box SLA, so we need to develop it. And let's imagine that at this moment we would like to develop a very simple solution of it. We just put in our requirement into the Claude AI, and after that, what we are getting is we are getting, like some kind of proposals. After discussing with AI what kind of features we need to use, how a simple solution should be, we can ask it to actually generate a final proposal document. And here you could see how professional this document is actually look like. It's letting us know what is our business requirements, what kind of fields we need to create, and so on and so forth. So what kind of data type we need to provide. Then it's also suggesting for us what should be the calculation logic. So for example, it's giving us here a very good inside that in Salesforce we have a class called business hours. And in that class, when we are passing just, our business hours ID, where we already have our start working hours, end working hours, we have all our vacations, weekends, and so on. After that, we are passing our start date and end date, and it actually returns time in milliseconds between those two dates. And then we could convert our final results into the specific field, right? And we could get it back. Then it also suggests what kind of triggering points we need to have. So, for example, whatever is approval is actually approved, rejected, or recall it. So in that case, it's our triggering point, and we need to take the metric. Here it's also letting us know something about the breakdown and how it will be better to build actually reports and what kind of reports better to build. At the same time, we could ask it to actually generate the actual solution or generate the technical specification for dev team to actually implement. So we specially asked it to generate business, let's say, proposal document, right, for a business to show them what kind of, like on the high level implementation might be. And you could see how professional it looked like. So I highly recommend you guys to use actually Cloud for any kind of your Salesforce related adventures.